Hey everybody, going to just do a couple of random miscellaneous things that you might be able to do with your Denise. Uh, this is nothing in particular, it's just random, just things you may not know. Um, so when you install Denise, it downloaded basically like a little between 6 to 7 gig file, and that's how uh, big the program is supposed to be. However, Dan pointed out to me recently he right clicked the Denise folder and went to properties, and it says 14.6 gigs in my particular situation. Um, if you want to recover some space, you can click on the Denise folder and go to temp, and there's about 6.5 gigs worth of stuff here. Look, 6.36 gigs to be exact. You can delete all this and recover that space. So now, when I right click on the Denise folder and go to properties, it's 8.29 gigs. So that's a difference. Um, Also, I was going into the store and I noticed that a lot of my older avatars, I don't have them installed anymore, but I still have the file. So I'm gonna try this in real time. Try to upload my old files into the Denise folder to see if they'll show up as avatars that I can use without having to go through the store and download them. So let me see here. Oh, it'd be awfully silly if it doesn't work. Let's see here. Denise. Denise avatars. Haha. Let's see if this is going to work. Hopefully it works. No, not there. It's modules. No, where would it be? See, this is the problem when I do stuff before even trying it out. I don't know where this folder is. Oh well, if I can't figure that out, then no big deal. I'll have to go in there and really look through everything. Oh, maybe under agent. Yep, characters. There we go. So it's basically adding the HAL 9000, the R2 mate, the skeleton, the kit. I already had a couple on there that were on this list. Man, those, wow, I had no idea how big files, how much of a big file those things are. You can skip these files. Skip. Wow. So let's check it out. Oh, look, and they're there. Huh. Yeah. So it worked. So if you have the old files, you don't need to re-download them. You can just throw them in there, like I did. I actually like this one. I really like this one, and it goes good with my Sarah Proc William voice. Watch.
Testing the volume and speed of my speech.
I like that. The Sarah Proc have good voices. If you want some good, inexpensive voices, visit the Sarah Proc, CEREPROC, Sarah Proc website, and I bought two of them. So yeah. So another thing I want to show you. Well, let me make it big. If you want to change the name of Denise, so and this robot doesn't really work like as a Denise. You click assistant's name, change it right there. I like Gideon. Gideon. See if she knows her own name.
Speech recognition is disabled. Click in the red light to turn on. I can hear you. I can hear you.
What is your name?
How could you forget my name? My name is Gideon. Don't you remember Dominique?
Go to sleep.
Entering sleep mode.
So,
Say, wake up to start recognition.
This really doesn't work with the name Gideon either, so I'll probably have to change that. One more thing I wanted to show you, and again, this is just like random stuff. If you want Denise to read something to you, so check it out. Let's just get a random piece of text. Let's see here. Let's do love poems. Okay. So we have poems here, right? It doesn't have to be poems. It can be anything. So let's do this classic love poem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the text I want her to read, and I'll just drag it onto her face.
Looking up at the stars, I know quite well that, for all they care, I can go to hell. But on earth indifference is the least we have to dread from man or beast. How should we like it with stars to burn with a passion for us we could not return? If equal affection cannot be, let them all knowing one be me. Admirers, I think I am off star.
By the way, if you ever want Denise to shut up, just click on the little mouth right here. Just click on the little mouth, she'll shut up. And by the way, it sounded funny with that male voice and that female avatar. Let me change it back to Megan.
Testing the volume and speed of my speech. Testing the volume and speed of my speech.
So yeah, if you ever want Denise to read something, just drag it on her head.
Looking up at the stars, I know quite well that, for all they care, I can go to hell, but on earth indifference is the least we have to dread from man or beast. How should we like it were stars to burn with a passion for us we could not return, if equal affection cannot be?
And again, you hit the little mouth, and she'll shut up. Anyway, this was just random. Just want to make something, to show off with Denise here. I'm going to get to more complicated stuff in the near future. But for now, I'm just getting reacquainted with Denise and just having a lot of fun with her. So anyway, I hope you liked this video, and leave a comment and definitely share it with your friends.